This tutorial will show you how to do the product function on the calculator. Notice on my paper I have two functions, f of x and g of x. F of x is 5x minus 4, g of x is 3x plus 4. I'm going to evaluate the product function of those two with 3, -2, and 1/4, which we're going to use the decimal 0.25 for. First we got to go ahead and put the functions in the product function is in. Do that, hit the y equals button. In y1 I'm going to put 5x minus 4. In y2, first let's do it correctly. 5x minus 4. In y2, I'm going to put 3x plus 4. I'm going to arrow down to y3, hit my vars menu, go over to y vars, select 1 for function, select y1, hit times, hit the vars button, go over to y vars, select 1 for function, select y2, so I get y1 times y2, hit second table. Okay, now second table will give me the 3, -2 is not in there, so I get arrow up till I see the -2 for the x value. I'm now going to arrow over to y3. Okay, y3 says the product function of that is 28. Okay, for plus 3, I'm going to arrow down till I have x equals 3. I see the product function is 143. Now, you can change the settings on these for decimals. Okay, if you want to for the x values. If you didn't want to do that, you simply could put 0.25 in for x, 0.25 in both x in both cases, and evaluate that. To change the format of the table, you hit second format. Oh, wrong one. Second table set. Second table set, excuse me. I'm going to start at table start at -3. The changed in table is set to 1. That implies that it's going to increment in +1 or -1. I'm going to change that to 0.25 so that I have increments of 0.25. I'm now going to hit second table again. Notice the increments change. Okay? Now I want 1/4, which is 0.25. So I want to arrow down to where there's a 0.25, arrow over to y3, and you see the value is -13.06. So this concludes using the calculator for the product function.